Come here. Come here, bro. Alright, check that out. It's a cat. Wow! Wow! There it is. Yeah. Check that shit out, man. I'm gonna go wash the Kia today. So I'm probably gonna wear the chest mount this time because I don't have to move my head a whole bunch for it, and also I don't want to wear that out in the my new neighborhood, but you know. Yeah. So I'm gonna go downstairs into my garage. Time to eat cinnamon toast crunch at 2 in the afternoon. Oh yeah, my car keys. Okay. So I'm just gonna do a little Washington of the car because it is dirty as hell. Bigger wheels might do the trick, low key. But let's see how I want to go about this. I do want to do a clean on the interior, but that'll be a little bit later because I do want to do like a nice little cleaning. Oh, that sucks. Oh, okay. We don't have a sink anymore in the garage. It kind of sucks, but can't really do too much about that. So I bought some of the stuff over yesterday. So I got my dryer thing, glass cleaner, this stuff, wheel cleaner, soap. On everything I brought the wheel brush. I did. Okay. I knew it. Cool. So I'll do the wheels first, even though they're really not anything special, but dude, look at the water, bro. What is that, bro? Like, these things haven't been cleaned forever, but I mean, it looks cleaner than what it was. So I'm just gonna hit the other side now. Got one guy. Shit, and then hopefully blopey. I'm gonna rinse the whole car down, and then we'll wash it, and then hopefully it comes out looking a little nicer than what it was. Dude, there's a frog. I don't want to disturb the frog, but there was a frog. Alright, yeah. That's pretty much it for that. I'll probably do, the thing is, I can't spend too much time cleaning this thing because, I mean, it's just so, like, raggedy anyway. You know, the paint's, like, getting old, as really old cars do. So, but, I mean, it came out a little nicer. It's a little bit more vibrant. So the wheels that clean up alright. Can't lie. I gotta get that guy out. Worry about that later. But yeah. Not too bad, honestly. Beautiful, beautiful planet shot, guys. Whoa.